Hello student, in last video we have studied about the alliance policy of East India Company. Now in this video we are going to study about the war with Mysore. First of all, before starting the war with Mysore, I just want to tell you one thing. Who is the leader of Mysore that time? Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. Okay, who is the leader of that time? Who was the leader at that particular time? Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. But before the Hyder Ali, who is the leader and who have conquered that area, that south area? Okay, so who was there? They were the Vodiyar dynasty. Okay, they were known as the Vodiyar dynasty, and Hyder Ali have defeated them and took over the south area of India, and he worked as a sultan in that particular area and do every business and every thing related, trading business, civil, building fort, anything, whatever the work is going to there, that will be under the guidance of Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. Okay, and now why East India Company want to come in south and from which way they want to come? So here I have mentioned some points for you where East India Company wants to come in south area side, because first of all they have captured this particular area, Bengal side area, and then after that they want to come here, that they have captured the Bengal area, that area that they have captured, East India Company have captured this side, and now after that East India Company want to come and capture this area, this particular area. Okay, so here I have mentioned one thing for you, Malabar coast. So where is Malabar coast? Malabar coast from the sea route side, this is the point line, this shows the Malabar coast from that time, and this from this side they want to do the trading business with India. From this side they want to do the trading business with India, but on that time one thing happened, the Hyder Ali was not ready. Now I will show you. Tipu Sultan, the tiger of Mysore. First of all, from the beginning, that here is written Tipu Sultan as the tiger of Mysore. Means Tipu Sultan is known as the tiger of Mysore, and Mysore controlled the portable trade, that Malabar coast that I show you, where it is Malabar coast, and Hyder Ali have ruled in Mysore from 1761 to 1782. Now here you can see, and then when Tipu Sultan have captured 1782 to 1799, this particular area. Now they don't want, means Hyder Ali not want to be worked with the Tipu, so work with the East India Company, because they don't want to do the work as a puppet sultan in their area. So which business they East India Company want to do with them? Company purchase the paper and cardamom for this part of the kingdom, means south side से वो paper और cardamom करना चाहते थे purchase. Now what Hyder Ali have decided, but in 1785 Tipu Sultan stopped export of sandalwood, paper and cardamom through the parts of kingdom to disallowed. Means Tipu Sultan and Hyder Ali have discontinue the business with them, and when they discontinue the things, conflict was there. That conflict was known as Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan versus company. Okay, after that the Tipu Sultan, as we know, Tipu Sultan is known as the tiger of Mysore, and the both are, Tipu Sultan and Hyder Ali, they both are very arrogant, ambitious and dangerous. Means they are having very strong soldier support with them, army is very strong than East India Company, and they can control and crush any of the person, any of the dynasty or any of the person, because they are very much intelligent. And one more thing that is not written in your book, that I will tell you, Tipu Sultan is known as a person who can having a maximum knowledge related to science. Okay, he made one tiger that is on the East India Company person, means on Britishers. Means he was the tiger is killing the Britishers, and that is a electronic gadgets type, means one sail and all will be put in that, and then it can work, and when then it is started, then tiger is going to attack on East India Company person. Means that Britishers is lying on the floor, and on the Britisher the tiger is there. So this kind of miniature that will be created by Tipu Sultan. And the second thing, the rocket is also created by Tipu Sultan, and the tiger and a British person creature that will presently kept in London Museum. ओके सो दिस थिंग इट्स देयर सो यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट कि कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग उनका साइंटिफिक नॉलेज एंड एवरीथिंग, तो वो कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग होंगे. एंड देन व्हेन वाज द वॉर विच टुक प्लेस, तो 1767 to 69 द फर्स्ट एंग्लो मैसूर वॉर. द मीनिंग ऑफ एंग्लो मीन्स द पर्सन हु आर नॉट फ्रॉम India, means Britain is known as Anglo, British is known as Anglo, and then Mysore means the person from India, that particular place, Anglo. Then second Anglo-Mysore war will be took place in 1780 to 84. Everything is written in this, whatever I am saying right now. Okay, so just go through it. Now 1780 to 84, the second Anglo war, and then 1790 to 92, the third Anglo war. And if you have seen one thing in 1780 to 84 means this particular time, okay, so that time the Hyder Ali was died in 1782 due to the disease of cancer. So who will took place the place? Tipu Sultan have come up and faced the East India Company. When East India first Anglo War took place, then who was defeated? The East India Company was defeated. When East India Company is going to defeat, so that time East India Company signed a treaty. Treaty means समथिंग डॉक्यूमेंट और लेटर इन दैट इट इज़ रिटर्न ओवर देयर कि अगर हम ये लड़ाई करते हैं और हम हार गए तो हम कुछ सालों तक आपके साथ में कोई भी झगड़ा, कोई लड़ाई, कुछ नहीं करेंगे, कोई वॉर हमारे बीच में नहीं होगी. सो ये इसके बाद में इतने टाइम के लिए वो रुक गए. फिर उसके बाद फिर वो 84 में हारने के बाद फिर 90 में वापस आए. तो वो हर बार हारते हैं तो एक ट्रिटी साइन करते हैं. व्हेन थर्ड एंग्लो मैसूर वॉर टुक प्लेस, देन दैट टाइम फ्यू ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ मैसूर विल बी डिफीटेड बाय Tipu Sultan. Okay, few area was defeated by. So when the few area was defeated by, that area will be captured by East India Company, same as they have sent their one official person over there, and that official person will inform everything to East India Company main person. Now fourth Anglo-Mysore war took place in 1799. Okay, fourth Anglo-Mysore war took place. At that time the battle of Srirangapatnam, means that battle is basically for the Srirangapatnam, and Srirangapatnam is a capital of Mysore that time. Tipu Sultan, its strongest place, that is Srirangapatnam, and that will be defeated by Tipu Sultan in fourth Anglo-Mysore war that took place in 1799. And from the first Anglo-Mysore war took place, so that time who support Mysore? The support of the Mysore is French army. Okay, because French is also in India that time, and they support because French and Britain have the warriors to each other have a very much problem between some disputes were there. So that's why the French person support to Mysore, and that particular thing took place in second Anglo-Mysore war, and in third war also. But in third war East India Company do some different thing, because they have take part of Nizam of Delhi, and one more person, one more army support him, that army from the Maratha side. Okay, Maratha also supported them, so that is the reason they have won this thing. After that fourth Anglo-Mysore war, it will be done, and everything will be under the East India Company. And when Tipu Sultan have defeated that war, that time two sons of Tipu Sultan will be hostages under the East India Company. Means उनको बंदी बना लिया गया था, और टीपू सुल्तान के दोनों बेटों को अपने साथ में ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी अपने साथ में एज अ होस्टेज अपने साथ में लेके चली गई थी. सो एवरीथिंग विल बी देयर इन द हैंड ऑफ ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स, एंड ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी अगेन स्टार्टेड हिज बिजनेस इन south side also, and that area will again captured by East India Company. That area we known as presently Karnataka. So that area, this is the again biggest thing that will be under the East India Company hand. And after that East India Company won so many things, and after this we will study the war with Maratha.